I came home at lunchtime, I heard a funny noise. Went out to the backyard to find out if we was one of those rowdy boys. Stood there with my neighbor, called Peter, in a flux capacitor. He told me he built a time machine, like wanted to film a scene. Yeah, he said I've been to the year 3000, and not much has changed, but they lived underwater. And your great-great-great-granddaughter is doing fine, doing fine. He took me to the future in the flux thing, and I saw everything. Boy bands, and another one, and another one, and another one. And girls there with round hair like Star Wars, float above the floor. We drove around in a time machine, like what in a film I've seen. Yeah, he said I've been to the year 3000, and not much has changed, but they lived underwater. And your great-great-great-granddaughter is doing fine, doing fine. I took a trip to the year 3000. This song had gone multi-platinum. Everybody bought our 7th album. It had Alto Kelly Clarkson. I took a trip to the year 3000. This song had gone multi-platinum. Everybody bought our 7th album. He told me he built a time machine, like wanted to film a scene. Yeah, been to the year 3000. Not much has changed, but they lived